everyone! Welcome to Grace Daily English.
What a beautiful day! The sun is hot and the sky is blue.
Yeah! Perfect for camping!
Look! Big green trees! I love camping.
But, Dad, are we there yet? It is a long drive.
Not yet, Maya, but we are close. Just 10 minutes.
Go straight.
Look at that road. It looks interesting.
Ethan, the map says go straight. Please follow the map.
No, I know a secret way. It is a shortcut. It is faster. Trust me.
Ethan!
Dad, this road is very bumpy.
Ethan, I don't see any cars. I think we are lost.
Don't worry. We are just exploring nature. It is an adventure.
I am getting worried. Can we go back?
Okay. I made a mistake. Sorry, everyone.
Wait! What? Look over there!
What is it, Leo?
It is a hidden sign. It says, campground, turn left.
Good eyes, Leo! You found the way!
Sorry, guys. I was too excited. Next time, I will use the map.
It is okay, but remember, more haste, less speed. Preparation is important.
At least the view is amazing now.
Let's take a photo.
Did you learn new words today? Shortcut, bumpy, or hidden sign?
Do you like camping? Tell us in the comments below.
If you enjoyed our story, please like and share this video.
And don't forget to subscribe to Grace Daily English for more fun stories. The bell. Ding ding.
Bye-bye! See you next time!